We spoke afterwards briefly in the studio, and then I went on my way and he went on his, and it was...
what happened with that brief discussion?
He was saying that it was that he was grateful that I came in to do the interview, and I was saying, well, thanks a million, and he was wishing me well in Africa because I was heading off to Ethiopia, and so yeah, it was a slightly odd encounter because I think we were coming at it from different angles, and I think he was doing sort of more of a jokey interview, and I didn't quite get the humour. I think so. I'd have to accept some blame for that. Maybe I didn't quite understand Brendan's sense of humour. That could have been an issue there.
Okay.
It's happened
before.
I think so. And I think he was messing, and I kind of couldn't quite get a handle on it. And I think there might have been I misinterpreted the point of the interview.
Yeah.